Kuya, pwede akong effects?
Yeah, maganda mo.
Nalunod ako sa effects niya. Sa akin lang kulangan ako. Yung akin lang. Patagdado lang. O, sige. Ngayon, sir, habang nga kumakain ka, baka may isang song ka na gusto lang marinig.
Oo.
Para at least, yung kinakanta namin, at least gusto mo, di ba? Ah, okay naman. Sige. Ang dali nyo kausap. Ano po? Ang dali nyo kausap. Sige. Ano nga awit natin?
Kinakanta mo
After, ay mag-duet tayo.
naman.
O sige, ganito. Meron kasi sa mga viewers ko sa TikTok, gusto nila yung If I Ever Fall in Love.
Ayan.
O sige, doon tayo. If I Ever Fall in Love Again, karaoke. Yan. O sige, doon na lang. Dito ka kasi, ikaw ang babae, dapat nasa kanan ka. Tapos ako naman yung binaba eh. Dito kasi bilang ng dito. Say, you know you're better thing than I've been looking for. I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's
Be fair to you on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
but if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when it's broken heart can be, I know it's gonna be real. Never want to pull me through, touch on the way. If I ever fall in love again,
I guess it's meant to fly. It's such a long way down. And yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'll come around.
and know when you're hurt, it's hard to let someone inside.
Oh,
In your palms I feel I'm ready now to try.
oh,
So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when it's broken heart to me, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to know the truth, though I don't know where. If I ever fall in love again,
I'd be a fool to ever let you go.
you're the best thing in my life. When I know that it's it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know where. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, bringing that Kiva. After, sige, diretso mo. Wala nang gagawin kundi kumanta hanggang sumating yung mga susunod sa games. Oo.
Boss Allen, nakakahirapan mo kami.
Huwag na natin istorbo sa Boss Allen. Gagawin niya lang kahit radyo ngayong gabi.
Request Express.
But here we are again. I guess it must be fate. Been trying on, but deep inside I know. Went back to setting straight.
I still remember when your kiss was so overwhelming. Every memory repeats, every step I take release, every journey always brings me back to you. After all this time, we can come back to this too hard, to angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all the we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me, after all. When love is too late,
When love is truly not,
it lives for me to
changes how it goes,
all and all the way it goes.
but it never disappears. After all the steps and stars, we can climb back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
All comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me, after all. Oceans beyond my touch, don't need you so much.
After all, what else is living for?
Oh, after all the steps and signs,
We can come back to these two hearts,
two angels who've been rescued.
from the fall.
And after all that we've been through,
All comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me, after all the steps and stars,
We can come back to these two hearts,
two angels who've been rescued.
from the fall.
And after all that we've been through,
All comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me, after all. Oh, di ba? Nakabuo tayo ng jewel. Alam mo bang masakit yun pag jewel?
Bakit?
Kasi hindi normal yun eh.
Saan dapat?
Sa kamay, pwede na yun.
Ay, kala ko sa'yo.
Ano bang, ito, di ba ano to? Ano ba yung Jewel Songs Karaoke?
Always ni ano, Atlantis.
Ay, oo!
Ayun.
Hindi ko alam yun yun. Always.
Atlantis.
Always Karaoke. Ayan. Always Karaoke. After all the stars in the sky. Maganda ba ito? Ano ba itong song na ito? Ay, Bon Jovi pala yun. Shoot ka. Atlantic pala. Ayan.
Let's
Nakita
go.
natin yung mga friends natin. Hello po sa mga nasa TikTok. Kung malapit po kayo dito sa party place, sa malapit po na kayo. Girl, you are to me all that family, and we will bring much joy for all the way.
Oh boy, your love is so, I can't afraid to let you know, but you can be sure I'm yours for always. And we
Oh no, that I love in love and forever will be you
and me.
who are like the sun, chasing on in the present rain.
When you come around, you bring bright days.
You're the perfect one for me, forever will be.
And I will love you so
For
always. I will love you so always. I will love you so for always. I will love you so
in fairness, no, ang dami mong alam ng mga jewels. Nagtitople ka na rin ba? Iwan. Ano gusto mong pangawitin? Hindi. Pag-solo ka naman, susolo rin ako. Kasi baka mamaya ako, nasasawa na si Boss Allen sa atin. Sa boses natin, wala naman ang oras na. Simula na akong magta. Ako. Si Kuya, baka may request ka. Sige, okay lang, wala naman. Pare-pareho tayo magkakatrabaho, binibigyan mo nga kami ng extra rice. So, ano ba naman yung kataan namin kayo? Sige, pili ka na. Tapos sa mga viewers natin dito sa TikTok, papamino kayo, request.
Oo nga, tapos nakameron silang ano.
Thank you, The Royal.
Baka favorite mo si Celine dyan.
Pili Jessa, hello. Nakulubat na ako.
Celine dyan?
Ay, gusto mo nga si Indian song?
Sige no.
Ay, hindi yun. Kasi ka boses niya. Oo.
Ito tayo.
Ay, hindi.
Sa mga nasa TikTok po, baka may request po kayo. Baka may papatumpa kayo dyan. Nakutusan po kami sa 7-Eleven. I must be crazy now. Baby, I do too much. But when I think of you, I love the
Husay. Alam mo, bawat kanta mo, ginagaling mo.
Hindi ako.
Ikaw na naman lagi paborito ng mga.
Ikaw din naman paborito ka ni Papa eh.
Naku. Wari ka pa. Paborito ka ni Mama. Pinahin nyo nga yung tatay natin. Hindi ako nagreklamo. Isang kamay pangalan niya, kusog ka na.
Tapos, ako ko rin dating channel.
Sige, hanap tayo, di ba? Sir Allen, kayo, may request ka ba sa akin? Maliban sa manahimik ako. Ano pwede natin ganahin? Ito na lang, medyo mababa lang.
Sige ka.
Sige. Let's go.
Hindi ko.
Ay,
Ito kumanta niya.
si Earl Agustin. Yes. Come on, everybody.